Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. IELTS MJ. In today's video, I'm going to cover the hardest IELTS speaking cue card questions in 2025, the topics many candidates struggle with in the real exam. I'll show you how to structure your answers clearly, use high-scoring vocabulary, and apply simple strategies to speak confidently and naturally, just like a band 8 or 9 candidate. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's get started. Let's move on to the first cue card question. This is one of the hardest IELTS speaking cue card topics that candidates have been getting in real exams in 2025. So please make sure you're taking notes, writing down new vocabulary, and paying close attention to how the answer is structured. Question number 1. Describe a historical place that you know about. You should say what the place is, where it is located, what is the historical meaning of the place, and describe your experience of the place. When you get this kind of question, don't panic at all, because you have 1 full minute to prepare. During that minute, you can quickly plan what you're going to talk about and organize your ideas, so don't rush and don't panic. Stay calm and use your preparation time wisely. Let's see the 9-band answer.
I would like to talk about Sigiriya, which is one of the most iconic historical places in Sri Lanka. It is located in the central part of the island, close to the town of Dambulla. And it is often referred to as the Lion Rock because of its massive rock formation and the ancient lion-shaped entrance that once stood there. Sigiriya is extremely important from a historical point of view. It was built in the 5th century during the reign of King Kashapa, who used it as a royal palace and a defensive fortress. The site is well known for its remarkable ancient architecture, including the carefully designed water gardens, rock gardens, and terraced pathways. In addition, the famous Sigiriya frescoes and the mirror wall, which contains ancient inscriptions, clearly demonstrate the artistic and technological advancement of that era. I had the opportunity to visit Sigiriya a few years ago, and the experience left a deep impression on me. The climb to the top was physically demanding, but it was also very exciting. As I climbed higher, I could feel the sense of history surrounding me. When I finally reached the summit, the view was absolutely spectacular, offering a panoramic sight of the surrounding forests and landscapes. Standing there made me realize how advanced ancient civilizations were and how much effort must have gone into building such a masterpiece. Overall, visiting Sigiriya was both an educational and emotionally rewarding experience. It not only helped me understand my country's rich history better, but also gave me a strong sense of appreciation for cultural heritage. It is definitely a place that I believe everyone should visit at least once in their lifetime.
Alright, now that we've finished the first cue card, let's move on to the second cue card question. This one is also very important, so listen carefully and take notes as we go. The question is, describe a foreign country you have never been to. You should say where the country is, when you will go there, why you would like to go there, and explain why this is a good country to visit. Let's see the 9-band answer.
I would like to describe Japan, a foreign country that I have never been to, but would absolutely love to visit in the future. Japan is located in East Asia, and it is an island nation surrounded by the Pacific Ocean. If everything goes according to plan, I hope to visit Japan within the next few years, ideally during the spring season, because that's when the famous cherry blossoms are in full bloom. The main reason I want to go there is because Japan offers a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. On the one hand, it has ancient temples, shrines, and traditional tea ceremonies, and on the other hand, it is known for advanced technology, high-speed trains, and futuristic cities like Tokyo. I'm also very interested in Japanese culture, food, and their strong work ethic and discipline. I believe Japan is an excellent country to visit because it is extremely safe, clean, and well organized, which makes traveling very comfortable, especially for first-time visitors. In addition, the country has stunning natural scenery, such as mountains, hot springs, and coastlines, along with a rich cultural history. Overall, Japan offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience, which is why it is at the top of my travel wish list.
Great, we're done with the second cue card. Now let's move on to the third cue card question. This one is very important, so listen carefully and follow along. Describe a worth-watching theatrical performance. You should say what the play was about, where it took place, how was the acting and quality of the production, and explain why it was worth watching. Let's see the 9-band answer.
One theatrical performance that I truly enjoyed and would highly recommend was a stage play based on the classic novel Romeo and Juliet. The play focused on the themes of love, family conflict, and sacrifice, and it presented the story in a modern way while still respecting the original storyline. What impressed me most was how the director made the emotions feel very real and relatable, even for a modern audience. The performance took place at a well-known city theater in Colombo, which has a traditional stage design and excellent acoustics. The atmosphere inside the theater was amazing, and the lighting and background music immediately drew the audience into the story. Every scene change was smooth and professionally handled. In terms of acting, the performers were outstanding. The actors who played the main characters delivered powerful and emotional performances, especially during the dramatic scenes. Their voice control, facial expressions, and body language were all extremely convincing. The overall production quality was also very high, with creative costumes, realistic props, and effective lighting that enhanced the mood of each scene. Overall, this theatrical performance was worth watching because it was emotionally engaging, visually impressive, and professionally produced. It not only entertained the audience, but also left a strong emotional impact, which is exactly what a great stage performance should do.
Now that we've finished the third cue card, let's move on to the fourth one. This is a very common exam question, so listen carefully and take notes. Describe how you would organize a surprise party for your friend. You should say who the friend is, where you would organize the party, what arrangements would need to be done for the party, and explain why you would do that. Now we can see the 9-band answer.
If I were to organize a surprise party for my friend, I would choose to hold it at their favorite restaurant or at a small event hall. Depending on the number of guests, the place would be easily accessible and comfortable, so everyone could relax and enjoy the celebration without any stress. To organize the party, I would start by secretly contacting close friends and family members and creating a group chat to plan everything together. I would choose a suitable date, preferably on my friend's birthday, and make sure everyone could attend. To keep the surprise, I would ask someone to bring my friend to the venue under a different excuse, such as a casual dinner or meeting. In terms of arrangements, I would take care of decorations, food, music, and a birthday cake. The decorations would match my friend's favorite colors or a theme they like. I would also arrange a playlist or a live DJ to create a fun atmosphere and plan a few simple games or activities to keep everyone engaged. Finally, I would make sure there is a photographer to capture the special moments. I would organize this surprise party because it is a thoughtful way to show my appreciation and gratitude for my friend. Seeing their genuine happiness and excitement would make all the effort worthwhile, and it would create a memorable experience that we could all cherish for a long time.
That's the end of today's cue card answer. I hope this sample helped you understand how to organize your ideas clearly and speak more confidently in the IELTS exam. Remember, it's not about memorizing answers, but about speaking naturally. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.